Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran, and it's New Music Friday as Frankie Music brings the pre-summer heat. No plans of slowing down anytime soon. The Grammy-winning music producer plans to create waves on the music scene with the release of his latest rhythm, Bashment 24, created by Mafia Lee.
Just one of them ready to stay up late night at the resume. Frankie come in and hear it, love it. I would just say, yo, I put the juggling together, you see me?
Mafia is my beat maker. He worked for Frankie Music. And when him billing that rhythm, actually Craig called me because I was outside, and Craig called me and said, yo, Mafia, find something bad and approve it now. And when I go in the studio, I hear it, and right away, one time, it's just Bashment.
Featuring both established and upcoming acts, Bashment 24 is poised to be a major hit. Sosa GX, he's a new blood featured on the rhythm.
You have the old style Bashment. We come in now as a new generation. We have to give it a different vibe or a different energy, you know? So that's the whole concept I have when I hear the rhythm. It just start talk to me, and magic just happen from there.
Linking up with Frankie Music and Mafia. Once me hear the rhythm, I say, yo, Mafia, I go for the woman them, you know. So I feel like it's a very nostalgic moment where that is concerned, and that I go on for this year, so pretty easy.
No song on the rhythm, but out to show his support, the Tipinite God was present for the rhythm's release party for his manager, Frankie.
Not on the rhythm yet, so let me use the word yet. I definitely have to support my manager, the Grammy winner, Frankie Music, you understand, my G. So support, you understand, I have to support my G.
Now, Bayesian Cyclone earned a flawless victory, exciting fans. Wednesday evening was nothing short of an amazingly good time as the duo teamed up for the delivery of an exhilarating night of performance on the Jamaican leg of their world tour Flawless Victory. With stops in both the US and the UK, the duo are on a high as they continue to enjoy the success from their chart-topping EP, Flawless Victory. Following its release, the project soared to the #1 spot in both the US and the UK iTunes Reggae charts.
Not only was it #1 on the Reggae charts, it was also at number 26, like all genres in the United States at the time when it did drop. So, you know what I mean, very, 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 very happy about that. And when we cross the Atlantic and go UK, we automatically ran to #1, isn't it? So different countries that we've touched, people just buy it, support it, and show love, isn't it? So happy about that.
And with the members of TOK in the house, the vibe was twice as nice. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran, wishing you a safe weekend.